summer salad idea coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Today I'm going to share a super summer salad idea with you. Before I do, how about an invitation to head to our dedicated website, weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe. After that, look for us on our YouTube channel, subscribe to it as well, and then finally find us on your favorite social media platforms, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This salad idea is so remarkable. It's very straightforward, super simple. First thing we're gonna do is make the bowl that the salad goes in. And for this, I want you to head to Weekend at the Cottage. I posted a 1-minute video, 4 ingredients. It'll take you less than 15 minutes. Once you have your tortilla bowl done, you're gonna need to make a decision. What kind of dressing do you wanna serve with this salad? I'm using a creamy raspberry dressing. Click up here to check out this 1-minute video. But we have tons of salad dressings on Weekend at the Cottage. I'll put a link in the store. You can do this recipe with our buttermilk dressing. You can use our Asian salad dressing. All of our dressings will work with this. So we're gonna make a salad bowl, you're gonna pick a dressing, and now we get to pull the salad together. I'm using a bunch of different seasonal vegetables, not too many. I have some cherry tomatoes into the bowl. Last night we had corn. I'm adding 1 cup of corn kernels. Chopped up 3 baby cukes. Diced up a red pepper. I'm also adding scallions. I'll list the exact quantities for this combination on the recipe at Weekend at the Cottage. Those ingredients are in the bowl. We're gonna add a little bit of our chosen dressing, give it a toss, taste, add a bit of salt, toss again, and now we're gonna set it to the side. Next step is to fill the bowls. I have assorted spring greens. You know the kind, they come in a box, they're washed, they're ready to go. I'm adding a little clump of greens into our bowls, and then I'm gonna add some of our salad. And when the salad goes on, it kind of cascades down into the greens. Add a little bit more, and then take some and put them outside of the bowl onto the plate. It's a really nice touch. We decided to serve up today's salad with grilled chicken, but this recipe also works with shrimp or salmon or tofu or just more vegetables if you want to keep it vegetarian. I'm taking the chicken, I'm cutting it on an angle, and then I'm going to transfer it over to the bowl, kind of fan it out across the top. I thought another nice addition would be fresh nectarines. I'm slicing nectarine, nestled it next to the chicken. A little bit of dressing in a squeeze bottle, zigzag across the top. It looks fabulous. Here is my light bulb moment. My goodness, I just created a salad that looks like the kind you get in a fancy restaurant. Except you and I know it didn't take a lot of time, readily available ingredients, really gorgeous presentation. How spectacular is that? Hope you make it and enjoy it soon, and then come on back and hang out again with Weekend at the Cottage. Until then, bon appetit. Enjoy.